We've been given the differential of fx, but we've got two unknowns in there, but we've also been told that the curve is a stationary point at 4, 3, and the curve meets the y-axis at -5. Between all those facts, we've got to find fx. So this will involve integration, but first of all, we can use the fact that the stationary point is at 4, 3, which means we can plug the x value directly into the equation, and we know that at the stationary point, the gradient function must equal 0. So let's set that up first. So there's our differential, and I can say that f-4 must be equal to, I'm just going to put 4 into this, which will be 16 plus 2a plus b, and we know that this must equal 0 because this is the stationary point. So if I put the unknowns on the left and the number on the right, I get that 2a plus b must equal -16. This is effectively the first of our simultaneous equations that we will use to solve for a and b. So if we now take f-x and integrate, we will get fx. So integrating f-x, fx is equal to 2x squared plus 2/3 a x to the 3/2 plus bx plus c. And in doing so, I used the fact that the root of x is equivalent to x to the half, and raising that power up by 1, you get x to the 3/2. I think it's always useful to do a very quick check that if you differentiate this, you get back to the original equation here. The unfortunate thing is that the integration has thrown us up another unknown. So we've got a and b, and now we've got c. So yes, we've got 3 unknowns, but we haven't used our 2 remaining facts. The first fact is that we know a point through which this curve goes. So if I substitute in 4 and 3 for x and y, and by that means we can simplify our expression here. So sub x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. So therefore 3 is equal to, if we work this out, you get 32 plus 16 over 3a plus 4b plus c. Now we can use our second fact. The curve meets the y-axis at -5. Well, they're giving us effectively the value of c. That's, after all, what an intercept is. And if I do that, I get 16 over 3a plus 4b is equal to -24. And this is the second of our simultaneous equations that we can use and solve for a and b. And if you do that, you find that a is equal to -15 and b is equal to 14. So putting this all back in fx, which is here, I get that fx is equal to 2x squared minus 10x to the 3/2 plus 14x minus 5. And that will get you the 6 marks available in this question.